Did you know that you can recover your deleted Microsoft account? Let's explore how. First, go to the Microsoft account recovery page. It's the starting point for all your recovery needs. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. Make sure it's the one you used last. Check your inbox for a code. This is essential for verification. Keep it handy. Once you receive the code, enter it back on the recovery page. You're almost there. Now, follow the prompts to complete the recovery. Soon, your account will be back in your hands. Once recovered, consider updating your password for enhanced security. Enable two-step verification for extra protection. This adds another layer of safety. Regularly check your account activity to spot any unusual logins. Stay aware. If you face issues, Microsoft support is always there to help you out. With these steps, getting back to your account is straightforward and secure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.